Okay, now in this video, we're going to go ahead and take this demolition plan. It's not really a demolition plan. This is more of an existing um, plan, but it, we still put it in demolition plan. We would be removing some of these items, but we're still gonna put it on a demolition plan page to show the existing condition of this house. Again, we are converting this garage into a living space. So where we left off last time, we had put in all the windows and the doors. If you can see here, I did add one more door, existing door to remain here. And now we're ready to go ahead and send this to layout. You should have this plan saved as 4320 Shadberry Drive, existing. It should say existing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit File, New Layout. Now we're going to be on this layout template here. And we can go ahead and save this file, save as. So we're going to go to our folder. Should be right here, Shadberry. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the address 4320 Shadberry Drive and hit enter. Now these are linked. Once I import this, it'll be linked. Now I'm going to, in my layout page, I'm on the title page. I want to be on my A1 demolition plan page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back here to my existing plan. I'm going to hit File, Send to Layout, Current Screen, 1/4 inch, and I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and slide it in. Put it where I want it. Place this right here. And we can change this from demolition plan to existing condition. Actually, we'll leave it as demolition plan. And we will put another note in here. Concrete. Let's put a note in here. Remove existing concrete slab as needed for new plumbing. Okay, let's go ahead and make this a little bigger. That there. There's going to be plumbing up here too, but that's okay. Just use that note in general. And we're here again. See, it already made the change for me. Now, what I like to do is I like to put in some 3Ds of it. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to shoot an elevation. My elevation here. Like this. Sometimes I use these. This. I think in this one, so I only have to fit one shot in. I'm going to go ahead and not use an elevation or orthographic. I'm going to shoot a camera view. I'm going to shoot it at an angle. I'm going to come in like this. And it's going to capture both sides. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and make it a line drawing. Slide this all back. This back. Okay. And that is my current condition of the house. So I will go ahead and hit File, Export, or send to layout, current screen, hit OK. That's fine. Hit OK. Oh, it's not in the same directory. It should be. That doesn't make sense. See, this is what happens when they're not saved in the same folder. So that's fine. What we're going to do right now is delete that real quick. We're going to go in here again. We're going to go File, Save As, Clown Designs 2020 4320 Shadberry Drive. Save. Yes. See where we're at here. File, Save As. Because it's out here. We need to put it in the folder. So we're going to go ahead and just save it again. 4320 Shadberry Drive existing. Yours is probably already correct. Mine was incorrect. So now when I save it, or when I attach it, they'll be in the same folder. So again, we're going to go File, Send to Layout, Current Screen. Okay. Get rid of this other one. That one's not linked properly. No. We'll go with this one. Now they should be linked correctly. They sit outside of the folders. It breaks the path of the links. Go. Slide this up a little. Again, I'm going to go ahead and send this over. File, Send to Layout, Current Screen. You hit OK. And we can make this bigger. We make that bigger. By clicking here, Transform Replicate Object, and you can resize. I'm going to try 1.5. That's better. And then I'm just going to copy this right here. I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to change the name by double clicking on it to Existing Condition. And it's not to scale. So I'm just going to go ahead in here and I'm going to put N period T period S period. That stands for not to scale. Pull this out. Go up a little. Good. Just pull this down around here. I do have some more room here. I'm tempted to go ahead and do my floor plan on the same page, but I'm not. I'm going to leave it like this. And this will be my demolition page, my demolition plan. This is my existing condition. That's this page, and that's that for this video. Let me save it. Save. And then we got to save this one. Save. All right. We'll see you in the next one.